Hey guys, Shad Juice here. Just want to do a quick video. I'd recently found this Matchbox rocket launcher at the Dayton car show, and somebody had posted a message or posted a comment on a forum saying that he had one just like it, and it lit up and made sounds. Which, if you kind of tell up there, the lights looks like there's lights, and I was like, huh. I looked at the bottom, and you see right there, it looks like there's a little speaker. And there's like a kind of like a triangle screw hole. I don't know how you would get a triangle off, but I was messing around with it, and next thing you know, I hit this wheel, and it was making noise. And it lights up, so that's pretty cool. I didn't know it even did that when I bought it. So it's pretty cool. I think it says like a couple things. There's it shooting.
Unit 5, attack, attack. 3, 2, 1, fire. Unit 5, attack, attack. 3, 2, 1, fire, fire.
I just thought that was pretty cool, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. Just a little quick video. Let me know if you guys ever knew about that or ever seen one before. I thought it was really neat. So, thanks for checking out my video. Drop a comment below. Later.